How to turn on or turn off universal links associate domains development on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down to the bottom and tap on Developer. If you do not have Developer, you need to go into Privacy and Security. Then scroll down and tap on Developer Mode. Now up here, turn on Developer Mode. So tap on Developer, then we scroll down and tap on Associate Domains Development. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Now, Associate Domains is a critical feature in Apple's ecosystem, allowing apps to link directly to specific web domains. This is foundational for universal links, enabling seamless app-to-web interactions. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.